exercising, walking a dog, and looking for Pokemon on the new app Pokemon Go. So that's kind of.
She's making a video.
Yeah, a vlog. So yeah, say hi. Hi. She didn't say hi.
Hi.
So yeah, guys, I'll text you when I find something interesting. Text you what? What text? I'll vlog to you guys. I find something interesting. But I guess this is pretty interesting if you like. So we're pretty much exercising because of Pokemon Go. Isn't that a wonder?
I exercised too much today.
There is no exercising too much. Oh no. I don't want to go uphill. So yeah, guys, I'll see you.
He missed it.
Mine's
He missed it. He missed it.
Look at all this. Beautiful.
Now, okay.
Guys, look at this beautifulness. Try not to drop it. Drop it. And then look at that. It's so beautiful, right, guys? Guys, look. That tree has a belly button. Guys, look at that beautifulness. We're in nature. Pokemon. Holy crap, guys. Look at that view. What's up, guys? So pretty much this is gonna be all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Your vlog number 5, and peace out, guys. Stay awesome.